Hi, I'm Arif Vakil, trustee at ILM Montessori, and today I've got a wonderful presentation to show you. It is the colored bead bars. What are the colored bead bars? Well, now the child is very well familiar with numbers, worked with numbers, very well familiar in reading numbers, but now they've got to work deeper with these numbers. They've got to add them together, got to multiply them. This particular material, the colored bead bar, is a highly versatile material. I'll take you through it and we'll do just one quick activity with it so you get an idea of how much can be done with this little box. So the colored bead bars are just beads and each bead has a specific color. This is the bead bar 1. It's just one bead and it's red in color. This is the bead bar 2, 2 beads, green in color. Bead bar 3, 3 beads, pink in color. Bead bar 4, yellow. 5, a light blue. 6, a gray. 7, white. 8, bead bar, which is purple. 9, which is a darker blue. And 10, the golden bead bar. Well, we've got these beads. Now what can be done with it? Now the child is done with counting. Child has even learned, gone beyond 10 and learned 11, 12, 13. Child has done addition and now child wants to do so much more. So what comes after addition? Sometimes it's subtraction, but in Montessori, no. At times, Montessori adult teaches multiplication. And how does multiplication work? Well, multiplication is just sophisticated addition, is just another addition. What do I mean by that? So that's what a child learns, is that if he was to take 3 taken 1 times, if I take in 3 times 1, if 3 times 1, if I take 3 1 time, well, that's 1, 2, 3. If that's the case, well, put a 3 pad here. 3 taken 1 times is 3. Now, if I would take 3 taken 2 times or 3 multiplied by 2, let's do 3 taken 2 times. So it takes 3 and 3. So that's 3, which has taken 2 times. The child counts it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6. Where's the 6 bead bar? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 3 and 3 is the same as 1 6th bead bar. 3 taken 3 times. So the child will take the number unit 3 1 time, take the unit 3 2 times, take the unit 3 a third time, and then count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Where is 9? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And we have the 9 bead bar, which is also 9. Finally, if the child has to do 3 taken 4 times, so the child takes 1, 3 taken 1 time, 3 taken 2 times, 3 taken 3 times, and 3 taken 4 times is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Where is 12? The child doesn't have 12 here. It ends with 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Well, I can start with a 10. That's 10. And I know that 12 is 10 and a 2. So I can take a 2. And there you go. A child knows that 3 taken 4 times is 12, which can be represented by a 10 and a 2. This is how a child learns multiplication using the colored bead bar. And a child working on this over and over and over again eventually internalizes these tables. So rather than rote memorization, 3 taken 1 times is 3, 3 taken 2 times, 3 2s are 6, etc. Child works with it, plays it, and he just knows it from the inside out and knows the mechanics of it, not just rote memorization of it, that 3 taken 3 times is just the number 3 taken 3 times literally, which is the number 9, or 3 taken 4 times, which is the number 12. So that's the color bead bar presentation. We will probably wrap up our Montessori arithmetic presentation by perhaps my ultimate favorite, the stamp game. See you then. Bye.